Hi everyone, happy Friday and happy official summer. We are presenting our final Box Mindful Minute of the year. Today we're in Nose Hill Park in Calgary, and we're going to use this beautiful environment to talk a little bit about how mindful practices improve executive functioning, and also how we can use our heartbeat to check in with ourselves and activate our mindful practices at home. So we've talked a lot about the impact of integrating a mindful practice, and I wanted to take a second to just talk about how mindfulness can actually improve executive functioning. So things like focus, planning and organizing, those things that are really integral to the day-to-day of our kids in a classroom become much easier and accessible through practicing mindfulness. Start by setting a timer for 1 full minute and picking an activity that you can do to get your heart rate up. So make sure it's something you can do for the full 1 minute. Today I've chosen Fire Feet to get my heart pumping. Set your timer and go for 1 minute straight. Ready? Let's go. Once you've completed your minute of activity, have a seat on the ground. Get nice and comfy. And then take your hands and place them over your heart. And just notice. See if you see how it feels. Is it fast? Is it slow? And just check in. If you're looking to build on the mindfulness practice a little bit, you can start to integrate deep breath at this point too. And teach your kids about the impact of breathing deeply on regulating things like our heartbeat. So seeing, can they actually notice their heartbeat slow down in these kind of activities? Thank you so much for tuning in with us. Look for more mindful minutes to be posted in the fall, in September, and have a really wonderful summer, everyone. Box rocks.